Hey guys, we're gonna do another cool game today, okay? This time you're gonna need your 4.2 and it's your before and after sheet. You can be on either side you want. It does not matter, but go ahead and get that sheet and that's what you're gonna need today. You're also gonna need something to write with. I put my game in the sheet protector so that way I can play the game, but you're also gonna need like a pencil or a pen, something with a point, and I'll show you why in just a minute. And you'll also need a paper clip. So you can have a big paper clip or you can have a little paper clip, whatever works better for you. But make sure that you have a pencil or a pen, something with a point, and then you'll need to have your sheet protector, your game in your sheet protector, and a dry erase marker to be able to write with. So hit pause, get all those things, and Miss Keegan's gonna show you what to do with everything, okay? All right, guys, I hope you got everything that you need, and I'm gonna flip my camera and I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do with this game, with the before and after. All right, so I have my game here and I put it in a sheet protector so that way I can write with my dry erase markers on it, so that way I can play over and over and over again. All right, and you're gonna need the paper clip because the paper clip is like our spinner, so you're just gonna go ahead and set it right there in the middle. And then you're gonna take your pencil or your pen, whatever it is, and just go ahead and put it right in between your paper clip. Now, when it's in your paper clip, you're gonna spin the paper clip. You're gonna push it with your hand. Miss Keegan can only do it one-handed because my hand is holding the camera at the same time. So you gotta spin it. Sorry, guys. Okay, so you put it on there. And then you spin it, and then, oh, look, my paper clip landed on 3. So what I'm gonna do is right here in the middle, I'm gonna put the number 3. So you can pick any marker you want, as long as it's a dry erase one. Go ahead and put the number 3. So I'm gonna put the number 3. Now, if you need to, you can have that number line back again. You can have a number line if you need it, okay? So I have a 3. So what becomes after 3? After means next, okay? So it's like we're counting. 3, So when you look at your number line, 3, 4. So when we count, you go 3, 4. So right here, I'm going to put a 4. So I have 3, 4. Now you need to figure out what comes before, and before is first, okay? So we have 3, so we need to go backwards. So I'm going to look at my number line, and there's 3, and I'm going to go backwards to a 2. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 right here. Curve around and go to the right. So we have 2, 3, 4. Look at the number line. 2, 3, 4. And that's how we count, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how you play this game. Let's try one more together. So I'm going to go ahead and erase my 3 because we're going to have a new number. And I'm going to erase my 4 and my 2. All right, so now I have my paper clip back on my thing. I'm going to go ahead and put my pen in there so that way it doesn't move. And then, try to spin again. Sorry, guys, we're going to try to spin again. Hold on, I'm going to do it this way. Oh, look, I think I figured it out. Okay, ready, set, spin. Oh, it landed on the 5. So in the middle of my number, I need to write 5. So there we go, down and around and give it a hat, so we have 5. So you guys can figure out what comes before 5 and what comes after 5. And you can use your number line. So you find 5. Oh, look, 6 is after 5. So we're gonna go ahead and put 6 here because it's after 5. So slant on down and give it a curl. All right, now we need to figure out what comes before 5. So I can go back to my number line, and 4 is before 5. Before is before 5. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do down and right and cut in 2. So now we have 4, 5, 6. That's how we count, right? And then 4, 5, 6. Okay, guys, so you can go ahead and play that game as many times as you want. And look, if it's in the sheet protector, you can flip it over and you can do bigger numbers. There's 9, so what comes after 9? 10. And look, they even give you a number line down here. So you can find 9 and 10 would come after. So if 9 was the number that I spun, so I'm going to write 9 in the middle. And then look, 9, 10. 10 is after 9. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 10 right here. All right, what becomes before 9? If you look at your number line and you see 9, 8 comes before 9. So we're going to go ahead and make our S and go back home. So we have 8, 9, 10. And look, it matches right here, 8, 9, and 10. And if you wanted to, you could even color it so you knew where to go. So there's 9, There's 8 and there's 10. And the great thing is it's on the sheet protector so you can erase and do it again, okay? So I want you guys to go have some fun trying to figure out what comes before and what comes after. Have some fun, guys.